From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
So can watching this channel actually help you improve the quality of your voice? Not just your recordings, but your actual voice? I say yes. Now, let me explain. So I was talking to Jeff over at the Microphone Assassin Discord server. We were having a really nice conversation, and Jeff says, "Hey, thanks, man. I literally would not have the actual tone I have if I hadn't studied you and listened to you. I mean, my voice has changed since. It's bizarre." Now, I don't think it's bizarre. And this was my response. It's a total adaptive thing. I found that as I keyed in on my resonance, I could figure out how to control it more and bring more of it out, which to me is a function of hearing it better through my rig. So it's your brain, using that sound input to tune your muscles to find how they connect to that tone. And for me, I think that really keying in on this resonant area, which I think is the best part of my voice. And as I started to listen to it more, as I started to really get a better idea of what it's capable of doing, I found that I was gaining the ability to control the nuance of it a little bit more, like subtle changes in my resonance I can affect better. And that's actually something that's improving over time. So as my resonance actually builds up, with more and more use and more exercise, a lot of it is due to the fact that I'm hearing it clearly, that I've really focused on that particular area. And the same thing is happening with Jeff as he continues to improve the quality of his sound, as he continues to drill down and find his sound. And really, again, it's about finding your sound. So as he is finding his sound, his voice is strengthening because he is leaning more on the best part of his voice now that he's hearing it more, now that he's focused in on it. So it's completely adaptive. When you know what it is that you want to do with your instrument, right? And you focus more on that part of it, you're going to strengthen your ability to use that to make something happen, to emote, to get your point across, or to just make it sound better and cooler and bigger and stronger. So overall, yes, I do think that the exercises and experiments that we do on this channel, they aren't primarily meant to help you develop a stronger voice. But I think the clarity that we are gaining through every iteration of the chain, through changes that we make, through the discoveries that we are making in plugins and all the cool stuff that we find that bring us closer to our tone, what that does is it helps you inform your body how to reach that tone easier, how to get more out of that tone, and to really make it something that is individual to you because you really are fluent in that part of your voice as you get the ability to use it more and be stronger with it and have it do whatever you want it to do. So that to me is the answer, is that it's not bizarre. When you are really focused on your tone, and I know we all are, we're all really focused on our tone. When you're focused on your tone and you find really the magic sweet spot of your tone, just really lean into it. And you'll find yourself with the ability to use that more and more and better. And it becomes an even more defining part of your sound. So yes, the answer is absolutely yes. So I really appreciate the fact that Jeff shared this with me because I was starting to feel this myself and I hadn't really communicated it because it was just kind of a thought in the back of my mind. Like, yeah, my voice is getting stronger. It is definitely improved over the last year. Since really focusing more on the stuff that we've been doing on the channel in the last year and the feedback that I'm getting from the audience. Nation, I mean, you guys are amazing, guys and girls. You guys and girls are amazing with the honesty that I get back from you. And I appreciate that because it allows me to hear better what I'm hearing and understand it better. So yeah, focus on your tone. And you will notice that the strength of your voice will increase. Trust me. All right, nation, tell me what you're thinking. Till next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.